Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, India's Diary. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe by the end of the video. For today's video, I'm actually doing a tryout with some new products. These products were sent to me, but as always, I'm going to give my fullest opinion of what I think of them. A company had reached out to me and was like, we would love for you to review our products, do a makeup look, and I said, of course, who doesn't love free makeup? They asked me to pick some products and they'll give me a coupon code, and boom, now we're here making a video. I can't say it. I got this palette from Ship, Shop, Save. Say that 3 times fast. But anywho, I got this palette from them. Yeah, this is the logo. Open it up. It reminds me of Morphe packaging because it just, you know, has the ingredients. It's black and white with just the logo. But open it up. This is the palette. It's the same thing. Here's my Morphe palette actually. It's pretty much the same size. This is the 35R palette, so it's pretty much the same size. Tiny bit smaller, but you get the point. It's a more colorful palette than Morphe. It's actually really gorgeous. Isn't this sexy? I love the fact that it actually comes with glitters, and these glitters look really good. My eye is really gearing towards these, but also blue is my favorite color. But I'm kind of liking this because I'm actually getting dressed for my graduation photo shoot. Yes, I'm gonna have another video, like a chit chat about the whole graduation stuff. But then these colors look really soft. Ooh. I'm barely applying pressure and I'm getting a lot of pigmentation, so that's good. That's pretty pigmented for this. Blue is really nice. Ooh, okay. I'm definitely about to use this blue. Oh, it's gold. And it actually sticks because I don't really have any glue. It's not like falling. Oh, that pink is, I like that. Okay, so I'm about to go crazy. I don't know the difference between these two yellows because they look fairly, these two yellows, they look fairly the same to me, but I think I'm gonna do like a yellow, orangey, golden type of look. Besides fangirling over that, they also sent me some pretty brushes. Okay, so I took all the brushes out. These brushes are very, very lightweight. I wish I could feel these. The bigger brushes are a lot more softer than the smaller brushes. I need to wash these though. So I have concluded I'm never doing foundation before I do my brows again. I don't like the way my brows look. I can still see my concealer. And I forgot I gotta put tape on my face. So this didn't work out the way I planned. But I'm just gonna get into the shadows. So I'm gonna be using a lot of the oranges and the yellows. So I'm gonna start off by taking the orange and putting that into my crease, and we'll go from there. To say about this brush, even though the yellow shadow, it wasn't working for like 2 seconds, the brush does pick up a lot of shadow. I might add, it picks up a lot of the product, but it doesn't, I don't know, there's still like a light dusting in the air that feels like I'm wasting product. Like it's not necessarily coming on the eye, but it's more so just being picked up and then dusted off. Okay, the only thing bothering me is there's no flat brush in this set, so I'm gonna have to use my own flat brush for my shadow, and I'm going to use this pretty gold color right here. And I also think I'm going to use this color too. It's like a gold, but it's just no shimmer. final look. I'm loving this eye way more than I'm loving this eye, so I'm gonna fix that later. But this is the look. I really like it. The one thing, okay, I'm gonna start off with the pros. The pros, so many colors that you can do an eyeshadow look on, like, and you have 3, 6, 7, 8 glitters to choose from. This is a really bomb colorful palette, and it gets the job done. One thing I do have to say though that is kind of sort of a con is maybe just for my skin tone, but the yellow wasn't necessarily working for me because either it was the brush or it was my blending or whatever the case may be, but it wasn't as pigmented as what I can only compare it to Juvia's Place. Like Juvia's Place yellow is like hitting, but this yellow, it was like okay. And I just wasn't too comfortable with the brushes when it came to blending because I'm so used to my BH Cosmetic brushes or the brushes that I already have. It was hard for me to just, you know, jump right into some new brushes because some, like certain brushes that I have from BH Cosmetics is like I use for a specific purpose and I know that it's going to do well, so I was kind of mixed and matching, like going from my brushes to the brushes that was sent, but overall I got the job done with this beautiful look, if I might add. You do have to take some time blending, but the colors are very pigmented. Certain colors have more pigmentation than others, but I feel like that's kind of like with any palettes, I should say, because there are some colors on certain palettes that do not show up on my skin. I do think this is a good palette that you all should go out and get. I do like the products that was sent. The only cons that I had was the bristles of the brushes, but I'm going to try the face brushes. I'm going to insert my opinion down below. But yeah, get this joint. Like this is good. Add this to your collection, and I'm pretty sure it's not expensive, and for 35 colors for an inexpensive palette, get it. But I thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.